Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from SoFi to an external bank account. So the first step that you have to do is to open the SoFi app or the website, and from there, just have to sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. The next step is to navigate to transfers. So from the dashboard, just tap on the transfers or move money option in the menu. So you will just see it in there. Next up is to select external bank account. So you just have to choose the linked external bank account where you want to send the money. So if it's not linked, then you can add it first. And next is to enter the transfer amount. So you have to input the amount that you want to transfer, or you can also review any applicable fees or transfer times estimates. So you will see it in there, which is in before you confirm the transaction. So lastly is to confirm and complete the transfer. So you must review all the details carefully, then confirm the transfer, and then you will just receive a notification when the transaction is complete. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!